Udukot kaseng BGP bat ubalong ru uway na kinong apply ticket na 17th North Shillong Constituency. Uba Michael Carsentiu, henen kasngi ula pinpaw ya kajing kermen banyo ticket na kaseng. Haba ajing kren bat kinong tok kubor, uba Carsentiu ula ong. Ba kabala penlong ya u bandan kajing kermen, kadai na marbau MDC barem jangka constituency, uba martamlin perbot. Ula rai ba unom yakun ha kanik election, henrai un aya kajing kersan ba pura ya u. Kaseng BGP kalatung yau IPS officer barem uba M Karkrang uba tmuru banshim tiket na kaseng kum u state executive member. Habai day halor kani uba Carsentiu la ong ba uba Karkrang uday unang tray sorkar ubla penyaso ila di dangshen sya kaseng kata hakalai tarik unailur kat ba maupat uladon benta bat kani kaseng menta la prasnam AA.
BGP is a national party and it is a party which is ruling the central at the moment. So BGP is also a party. They have their own intelligence. They have their own survey report. They have their own, their own analysis of how the election commission they decide whom to allot the ticket. So based on that, we have full faith on the party and our party leaders in Delhi, and also the leaders who are here in the Meghalaya BGP. That they will, see and assess the person, a candidate, according to the winnability.
Kaseng TMC